is a perfect square, find the square root of this number. Okay, how do we do this question? So I'll be using long division method for finding the square roots. So I'll assume the way forward is I'll assume that the greatest number, which is a perfect square, looks something like this. Yeah, I'll be using the long division method. Then there'll be some remainder which will remain. I'll subtract that remainder and find the greatest number of 6 digit, which will be a perfect square. So let's see how to do this kind of question. So this is a number, as I've told you, this is a number I've taken. I'll be using the long division method of finding the square roots. If you are not aware how to use the long division method of finding the square roots, please look at the lecture which is given in the comment section. So I'll be making pairs of numbers like this, and 9 nines are 81, 9 ones are 9, 18, 99. Then I took the double of this number 9, so it is 18. Then there's a blank space. 9 nines are 1709. Then I took the double of this number 99, which is 198. There's a blank space, and then I got the remainder as 1998. If you are not aware of long division method, you will please refer to the video which is given in the comment section. Otherwise, this won't make any sense. Now, this is a number 1998, which I have to subtract from my assumed number, which I had assumed that this was the biggest number, which is a perfect square. So I subtract 1998 from 999, and this is a number which remains. So 998001 is actually the number. 998001 is actually the 6-digit number, which is the greatest 6-digit number, and square root of this number is 999. So 999 square is 998001. Similarly, there is a second question. Find the least number of 4-digit, which is the perfect square. So now I have to find the least number, a number which is the smallest 4-digit number, which is a perfect square. So again, I'll proceed in the same fashion. I'll assume a number, and then I'll be using the long division method. So the number which I have assumed to be the least number is 1000. In this case, I have assumed that 1000 is a number which is the smallest number. I use the long division method. Remainder is 39. And I understand if I subtract 39 from 1000, this is the 961 is a number that I get. So I understand that if I square, this is the number 31. So 31 square would be equal to 961. So 31 square is 961. I'll have to go a step ahead. So from 31, I'll have to go to 32. So 32 square is 1024. So actually 1024 is the number which is the least 4-digit number. It is a perfect square. So 1024 is actually the number that I am looking for. So the answer would be 1024. So I hope this makes sense. And I have made other videos also in this to solve these kind of questions. Do have a look at them also. Thanks for watching.